It is time for episode number 2 from Malaga and another beach adventure. This is another nudist beach called Playa del Campo Golf, and it's very close, few hundred meters away from Playa Nudista Guadalmar, maybe less than a kilometer actually. And it is a nice sandy beach, long one, and on this 8th of December there is nobody here actually that is taking a swim, but it's gonna be me. And here, because there is a golf course over here, that's why the beach is called like that. And we have a wonderful sunny day, and yes, here we have another airplane going into the airport of Malaga. Look at that. It's fantastic. It's fantastic. So yeah, I have arrived earlier today, and the flight took around 5 hours from Stockholm to Malaga, which I thought it was a bit long because it doesn't seem that far on the map actually. But yeah, the weather is super nice to be 8th of December, and the fun fact for this episode is that Malaga is one of the warmest cities in Europe. Because it is surrounded by mountains, and it makes it to have a super climate here. And just look at this over here. Isn't it beautiful? Super nice. So nice. And nobody is taking a swim in the water, so I'm going out for it. Yes. Okay. This is beach number 2 and another nudist beach, but obviously nobody is gonna be chilling on a nudist beach in December. But I think that this weather is super nice because this is actually as high as it gets in Sweden during summer. So 18 degrees in the air, 15 in the water. It is, I checked online. And yeah, I'm gonna be exploring some more beaches, so check out my upcoming episodes as well. And maybe we can see another airplane that is arriving at the airport. The airport is only 3 kilometers away from here, and the center of Malaga it's around 9 kilometers away from here in that direction. And on the other direction is actually Torremolinos. And this beach over here, I'm not quite sure if it is part of Malaga or Torremolinos. It's right in between. What we're gonna say for simple, so to keep it simple, let's say Malaga. And yes, we are taking a swim in 3, 2, 1, let's go! So nice and beautiful. The magnificent Mediterranean Sea. This is beautiful. Let's dive in once again. The water is amazing, believe me. And when I go out, it's not even that cold. So, looking forward to explore more of Malaga and do some sightseeing, as there are many interesting museums also, and fortress that has a nice sunset. I can see from here the whole city of Malaga as well. And I'm gonna be walking to the city now and explore more beaches along the way. Okay, the wind is blowing. I'm gonna wrap up now. Thanks a lot for watching this episode from Playa del Campo, this beach here in Malaga. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Kris!